86 highway here is pretty bad right now. Like,
oh fuck.
yeah. Oh yeah, like definitely. And like, oh okay, I can actually see that house there, but yeah, this is pretty bad blowing snow. It's only around 1 degree Celsius. Yeah, it just hasn't stopped snowing all day, like all day, right? We must have like how many feet of snow do you think? At least a foot?
A couple, yeah.
At least a couple feet of snow.
Absolutely.
Oh, we're in the swell. Oh, can't see that sign. Oh, look at. Can you see there? Yeah, that's what it looks like. White out. Surprised we can see these trees, but for the most part, you can't see much because it's just white. White.
Established in 1948.
Crazy.
Here's another.